Hi students, I am back once again but with another subject, chemistry, with the topic metallurgy. So first of all, what is metallurgy? Metallurgy is the branch of science which deals with the extraction of metals from their impure form to the pure form, that is from their ores. Before going further, let us see a few important terms related with metallurgy. Ores are those minerals from which metals can be extracted commercially at a comparatively low cost with minimum effort. Earthly impurities including silica, mud, etc. along with the ore are called gangue or matrix. Flux is a substance that is added to the charge in a furnace to remove gangue. Slag is the fusible product produced when flux reacts with gangue during the extraction of metal. Here, silica acts as a gangue. Flux is calcium carbonate. Flux reacts with gangue to produce a fusible mass called slag. Here it is calcium silicate. Three important ores of aluminium from which aluminium can be extracted commercially are bauxite, which is hydrated aluminium oxide, it means Al2O3.2H2. Second is cryolite, which is sodium aluminium fluoride, which is Na3AlF6. And last is corundum, which is anhydrous aluminium oxide without water. It is Al2O3. Here it is with water, so we have written hydrated. Here it is without water, so we have written anhydrous. Now the stages involved during the extraction of metal. First, we have to select a suitable ore. Then, next step is pulverization, which is crushing and grinding of the ore into a fine powder in big jaw crushers. It is crushed and then converted into a powdered form. This process is known as pulverization, which is second step. Next step is concentration, which is also known as dressing. The process of removing gangue like SiO2, silica, like impurities from the pulverized ore is known as concentration. For concentration, we have four methods. One is hydraulic washing, froth flotation method, magnetic separation method and chemical method. For aluminium, we use chemical method, that is leaching. Concentrated ore is then converted into its oxide. We have again two methods. One is roasting, another is calcination. If the heating is done in the presence of air, then it is known as roasting. If heating is done in the absence of air, then it is known as calcination. Roasting is generally done for sulfide ores, so SO2 is produced. Calcination is done for carbonate and hydrated ores, therefore carbon dioxide and water vapors are formed. Thereafter, we will reduce these oxide ores into their metals, then refining them, and we will get the pure metal. These are the stages involved during the process of metallurgy. Now we will see details of how aluminium is extracted from its ore. For the extraction of aluminium from its ore, which is bauxite, that is Al2O3.2H2, this is bauxite, we use Bayer's process. Bayer's process for converting this bauxite into alumina, that is Al2O3. After pulverization, this bauxite is treated under pressure with caustic soda at a temperature of 140 degrees Celsius to 150 degrees Celsius and converted into sodium meta-aluminate and along with red mud, which are the impurities which we need to filter out. Now, this sodium meta-aluminate is diluted with water. It forms aluminium hydroxide and NaOH as an impurity. NaOH is an impurity and we are getting aluminium hydroxide as a precipitate. This aluminium hydroxide precipitate is filtered, dried, washed and ignited at a temperature of 1000 degrees Celsius to get alumina. So now this Bayer's process is over, which is used for the concentration of aluminium ore. Next process during the extraction of aluminium is Hall-Héroult process, known as electrolytic reduction of alumina. Here we are using electrolytic cell made up of iron, rectangular in shape and having a sloping bottom. As an electrolyte, we are using cryolite, phosphor and alumina in the ratio 60, 20, 20. Or we can say 3:1:1. Cryolite dissociates into different ions, sodium, aluminium and fluoride. Phosphor dissociates into calcium and fluorides, and alumina dissociates into aluminium and oxide. As you can see, here we have three cations. One is sodium, another is calcium and then aluminium. So aluminium being lower in the electrochemical series will be discharged at cathode. So aluminium is discharged at cathode, and at the anode oxygen is discharged. As you can see, 6 nascent oxygen are produced, then 3 molecules of oxygen. Further it reacts with carbon to form carbon mono, and then carbon dioxide is formed. Anode need to be replaced from time to time as it gets oxidized with the formation of oxygen at the anode. In my view, important question can be asked from this topic are why we are using the mixture of these three. So first question is why we are using cryolite? Because it reduces the fusion temperature from 2050 degrees Celsius to only 950 degrees Celsius. It reduces the temperature and enhances the conductivity. So this is the use of cryolite here. Next question, why is the mixture of cryolite and phosphor is used? Because it is used as a solvent during electrolytic reduction, and pure alumina is not a good conductor of electricity. So the mixture of these three enhances the conductivity. Next question is why powdered coke is sprinkled? Because it reduces the heat loss by radiation, and at the same time it prevents the burning of anode. Next process for the refining of aluminium is Hoops electrolytic process, in which we again use an electrolytic cell having 3 different layers. On the top we have pure aluminium which acts as a cathode, and at the bottom we have layer of impure aluminium. At the anode, this impure aluminium gives 3 electrons and becomes cation of aluminium. Then on the cathode, this aluminium cation gains 3 electrons and gives pure aluminium, and we can tap pure aluminium from the top of the electrolytic cell. To sum up the extraction of aluminium, we are using its main ore, which is bauxite, Al2O3.2H2O. First process for the concentration of this ore is Beer's process, in which this bauxite is converted into alumina. Then second is reduction, which is electrolytic reduction. The process of name is Hall-Héroult process. For this we are using this mixture of cryolite, phosphor and alumina, and at the cathode we are getting this aluminium. And last process for the refining of aluminium is Hoops electrolytic process, in which at the cathode we are getting pure aluminium which can be tapped from the top of the electrolytic cell. Before I conclude, I would like to thank all the students at my tuition center who ignited a spark in me and encouraged me to make videos and start this YouTube channel. I would also like to thank all my ex-students, family and friends who are watching my videos and adding my subscribers.